Honest to God, mother, I do not understand this whole arrangement at all. Are you saying we should not check on father at least to know how he's doing?
Gunaya, please. I don't want to go over this argument again. We've been told that nobody is allowed into that room until Sabinus comes in the morning.
Oh, father has been alone in there for hours, mother. For hours.
And then stop shouting on me. I have enough headache already. Please!
Oh, I'm shouting now. Okay, fine. No, I won't shout again. I will not talk again. But just, I'm going to let you do whatever you want to do. But know it right now that if anything happens to my father, I will hold you responsible.
I will slap the hell out of you if you say that statement again. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Do you take me for a fool? Besides, which audacity do you have to question my authority? After your father in this palace, I am the next in command. Meanwhile, do you think I want my own husband dead? You better be careful. Be very careful. I have enough on my head already. Be careful.
I do not want that dead too. Yeah. I don't want us to make any mistake that we'll regret in the future. I'm sorry for raising my voice at you.
It's okay. It's okay. We have very few hours to monitor.
Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help!
Hey, hey! What is it?
Go!
Hey, what?
Go! I cannot sleep there.
Why?
I will sleep there today. Go. Outside. Ghost.
How did you know you saw it?
Very tall. Like what can go. Black and the legs are not touching the ground.
It's very today. Just look at you. Ghost. If you don't run your mouth, you run your mouth.
Obaka, you get mind though. You sabi lie. Ha! Obaka, your lie, eh? It is smell. You get mind though. Eh? You kept Lord and the princess in a state of panic all through the night. Eh? You didn't even get mind say, okay, make I come open gate for them. You too wicked.
Kwasia dear.
Kwasia together.
Kwasia.
Kwasia.
Pamagidia.
Pamagidia.
Now you go tell me what did I see? You go stand in my very before. They insult me, say I lie. Now me see the ghost. Now me no what did I see and to God where make me and you. The ghost I see now.
You see ghost. See, you still ghost, is still there alive. Do you know what it means to see a ghost?
Nah, with my eyes. I take see out now. I know what I see now.
See, your pride, you just behave like say that you be the king for this palace. Ordinary gate man, when even get level.
I know, say, I know get level. Make I play one tape. Chuku nyelem ahụ m ga-ese. Ga-enyekwa m lighter now.
What am I going to do here now? Go do your job.
I no get strength to argue with you for this palace.
My friend, go open the gate.
Help me. Open the gate. I dey get running stomach.
You go shoot am.
I dey purge.
My friend, come back here. Go open the gate.
Purge now.
You go shoot am here.
Make I use the toilet now.
Wait. My friend, come back here. Come open the gate. See, I will stay and watch you do your job. Go open the gate.
You know, say you be my person now.
Me?
Just for now.
Me?
Just open the gate. Make I go toilet now.
Toilet, I'm here. My friend, come. Open the gates. Go open the gates. Because of Sabinus, Sabi. Opaka, come and do your job, oh. Opaka, come and open this gate, oh. So you're running away because of Sabinus, Sabi? Okay, I will stay and watch you do your job. You must open this gate today. Me, I will not open it. Sabi, keep on knocking, oh. I will not open this gate. Opaka, come and open this gate. CRCB. Ordinary primary certificate, you no get. You just do anyhow for this compound. Come open this gate, oh.
Get me water.
Ugo, please get water. Be fast.
Kolam Sabinus, Onyamuma Jehovah, Sabinus, Onyamuma Jehovah, Propheti, Onebuamuma, Jehovah, Onyamuma Sabinus, Burubata, Onyamuma Jehovah.
Hey! Your Majesty! Father! Oh my God. Oh,
Papa.
Thank you, God.
Why?
Your Majesty, how do you feel?
Getting food. You must be very hungry. Yes, I'm hungry.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you very much, Prophet. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a bad character. A very bad character. If you were the only person here, I won't be doing this. My queen, prepare a royal dinner for the entire family.
It's okay, Prophet.
It's
Thank
a
you.
spiritual thing.
Here, you ready? How do you feel? Let me go and prepare for soup. Thank you. I miss you.
Come on. If I happen again, if I happen again, be yourself now. Na me there in charge for this place now. I know the fear on Oga.
What's going on here?
For this nonsense what you do now, eh? I don't like your face. I don't like your face. You want to drink about Munagi? If you want to drink about Munagi. I
like it. Give me Taki. I like you.
Look at this one where we say in the do for Abakaliki Street. Now the young boy where carry him, now use him, now he on the fight who go give him doggy. Was here. If I don't tell you before, if you recognize now, what will that now?
I want to see you. I want to know why we are here. I want to smoke SK. I want to smoke colos.
Okay. I go give you banana and the nana and the
Your Majesty, I am so happy to see you back to life again. The gods of our land has done it.
Oh, thanks to Sabinus and your mama.
Exactly.
No, you two did a very good job. If not for your encouragement and directions, we would have made a very big mistake. I want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you.
Honestly, I appreciate all your efforts.
Thank you.
The gods of our land shall continue to protect you.
Sabinus finally stays in this palace.
Yes.
Did he actually came with those smart people living with him in his house?
Your time is up. You have overstayed your welcome.
Igwe.
Lord of British.
Onyamoma.
You need to leave now.
Huh?
I hate repeating myself for no reason. You need to leave.
Igwe, I should leave.
Or give what Igwe. Let Igwe I should leave. I said leave. It's a spiritual thing.
Igwe.
Or give what Igwe. Your Highness, please, there's something important I need you to know. It's a spiritual thing. Yes. Some people have bad energy. And when they come into your house, their bad energy will drain your positive vibes. So please, we must be careful on people we allow to step their foot into this palace. In fact, I will appreciate it if you give me the authority to choose who comes in and who leaves this palace. For your own good, you will, because it's a spiritual process.
You have it.
Just like that. Your Majesty, I do not like the way the owner of this land was walked out of the palace. Even the owner expected you to speak up for him.
How do you expect me to do that? Were you not here when Sabinus gave his reasons?
Your Majesty, Sabinus did not give any reason for walking out the owner of this kingdom out of the palace. Let it not be heard outside though, because he had own job. It's very bad.
Well, from my own understanding, Sabinus is doing all that because of my recent challenges over my health issues. And you and I knows about that.
Is it not the same Ono that insisted you call Sabinus to come and rescue you? Let it not be what I'm thinking, oh. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
What is it that you are thinking, woman? Go ahead and say it.
It is okay that Sabinus came here to help you. Please, you shouldn't take it as a yardstick to determine what happened in this palace.
He has such no powers. His only action starts and ends at taking care of me and that of my entire family.
No, I've only heard that my fear. I hope it doesn't happen.
Apparently, we were robbed last night.
What?
Yes. I went to the storeroom and figured out that all my valuables, my 3 laptops, the printer, were carted away.
What is this?
Obviously, it should be from the so-called ghosts Baka claimed he saw last night. I guess they were the chiefs.
Ah, no. Baka has some explanation to make. No. This is not right. Robbed?
Anyhow you want Sabinus if in a physical Sabinus he will always tell you, listen to me for you to live. I'm your prophet. Sabinus is in charge of our palace, Urago kingdom, and Ugo. Prophet Sabinus is in charge now of our palace, Urago kingdom, and Ugo. Anything he wants, he do. Sabin of our palace, Urago kingdom.
I'm coming and you are still seated. Have you lost your sense of respect? Sorry, sir. From now onwards, before anyone goes out or steps into this palace, you must have my consent. Do you understand? Sir. Are you stupid? I said you must take permission from me before anyone steps into this palace. Do you understand? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Have you attended to my patients this morning? Yes, sir. Make sure they lack nothing.
What kind of nonsense is this one? What kind of nonsense? Make everybody chuckle themselves, so nobody will just demonstrate for it.
Hey. My mom wants to see you right now.
I don't do anything, no. What have I done again? What have I done again? Everybody chuckle themselves for this palace now. Everybody. This one, where they say, make I wait for here. I hope say, I never commit anything. Baka, chuckle yourself. Chuckle yourself. Nothing they happen. To God, nothing they happen.
That's the idiot thing.
Why did you run in here last night telling us that you saw a ghost?
Me? I don't understand.
Will you shut up?
Oh, you don't understand. I get it. I will help refresh your memory in case you have forgotten. Last night, you ran in here like a thief, claiming to have seen ghosts parading the whole compound. Do you remember now?
That one, I don't remember now. But to God, will make me and you. Go ghost. I see last night. No, be thief now. No, be thief now. If not thief, I am a well-trained security officer. I forgot the thief. Use blow, use punch.
Keep quiet, Upaka.
Pieces in kidney and in face.
Baka, are you aware that this palace was robbed last night? Probably by the ghost you claimed to have seen last night. Now listen to me. All the valuables that were moved from this palace, you are going to give account of every single one of them. Wait for it. When I'm done with my husband's problem, I'll come for you. Better be ready. Will you get out of my sight?
Out. Leave. You're a suspect. Get out! Before you steal another thing. Get out. Wait for me. I will make sure I bury you alive if you do not provide any of those. It's a promise.
No. Just tell me you are joking. I don't understand this. Are you joking?
How can I be joking with something like this? The young man walked me out before Igwe and Lola. Yes.
And Igwe allowed it?
Igwe could not even utter a word. Igwe watched me leave the palace. In fact, I'm surprised.
And this Sabinus Nyamuma, I've not heard about that name before.
He's a powerful man, though. He treats smart people. And all of them are even in the palace.
Chelo? The whole of them?
All of them.
And you will allow them to stay in the palace?
He signed an agreement for him.
Chelo? Sign an agreement with the prophet? How? But why?
That if Igwe must be alive, Igwe must accept him and those smart people that he's treating in the palace.
Hey! Does he want to turn our palace into the house of mad people? Who gave him the right to ask you, oh no, the Prime Minister of this land, to leave the palace without Igwe saying anything? Eh?
Hey, John, come join me. In fact, the shock is still in me.
We must do something. We will go back to Igwe this evening. We'll go to the palace and ask that man to leave that palace. Why will he ask you to leave the palace? We are going this evening.
Going which palace? I'm not going there with you today. If you are saying tomorrow, fine. But for today, me going back to that palace today, I will not do that.
Alright. But let's call it today. Let it be tomorrow. But Cholo, you allowed him to ask you to leave. You should have given a big slap.
Don't worry, when we get to the palace, you'll slap him. I know I never will slap him.
Why would you say so? I know you are stronger than me. You can.
Hold on a sec, Mom. You mean Sabinus, the nobody, walked, out of this palace? Is my father, the king, aware of this?
Your father was just sitting there. He couldn't utter a word.
No way. No bloody way that happened. Like, what in the world? No way. No, you better be kidding me because I'm trying to process it. It's not making sense. Now, I'm not grabbing it. Like, where in the world does this happen? Like a total stranger, a bloody nobody, walked of a royal kingdom out of the palace. And my father, the king, couldn't utter a word? No, how and when did we get here? That he healed my father does not give him the impetus, the nerves to think that he now rules. He has the audacity to say what happened and what do not.
It was after Onowu had gone that he stated that he determines who comes in and out of the palace because we don't know who is who.
Oh. That was his reason. Not like the Onowu committed a serious crime. Listen, if all of you are going to hold your hands and watch this bastard manipulate and hypnotize all of you, not me. No, I won't let that happen. Never! Not on my watch!
Excuse
clean my
Upaka, what is it?
this Sabinus now. Onyamuku Sabinus now. Eh? He said, nobody should come into the palace. And nobody should go out of the palace without me getting proper permission from him.
What?
That's what you talk about.
Mother, did you hear that? Upaka, I have heard you. You can go, please. You can go.
My goodness, what you say, I feel go. Shall I obey him or shall I disobey him?
You are mad.
Eh?
Listen, the simple fact that that idiot has turned this palace to a mini Yaba left does not mean that the rest of us are mad. We still have sense. Alright? So I need you to go to him, run back to him the same way you came here. Tell him that I said, not on my watch. Now go.
My princess. No, be say I want to disobey you to God. I don't chuckle myself and I don't feel disobey you. But the queen never talk now. She never talk now.
I can say you need me to use this to scatter your skull.
No, now.
I should do that, right?
No, now.
Get out. Out. Are you mad? No, you want me to get out. Sir? Now go and tell him that. Get out! Mother. No. Something has to be done. Faster. Faster!
You have to call Sabinus to order. He's overstepping his boundaries.
My queen, do not bother yourself over that boy's issue. You and I understand the circumstances that brought him here.
I'm not against him being here, but he has to take permission and get consent from you before he does certain things.
I'll speak to him about that.
Please, you have to.
I will. I'll talk to him.
And please, send a message to Ono. Please, let him know that you are not in support of the way Sabinus drove him out of the palace.
I will do that.
It's okay, Oba. How are you feeling today?
So I'm feeling better.
Anyhow you want Sabinus today. If in a physical, Sabinus today, he will always tell you, listen to me, for you to live. I'm your prophet. Sabinus is in charge of our palace, Urago kingdom. Prophet Sabinus is in charge now of our palace, Urago kingdom. Anything he want he do, Sabin of our palace, Urago kingdom. Judge Urago kingdom, Fusiganya Nanka Sabio. Prophet Sabinus, take it easy, Sabinus. Onyamuma Jehovah, prophet, Oneba, Judge Jehovah, Onyamuma Sabinus, Burubata, Onyamuma Jehovah, Yepusia, Shelly, thus said the Lord, holy, thus said the Lord, Onyamuma Pusigo, Pusia, Onyamuma Jehovah, Yepusia, thus said the Lord, holy, on a one dear, Sabinus, I'm a prophet, Judge Jehovah, Onyamuma Sabinus, Burubata, Onyamuma Jehovah, Yepusia, holy, thus said the Lord, Onyamuma Pusigo, Onyamuma Jehovah.
Security. Upaka.
Hello, is anybody home?
Who be that one again? Who be that one again? Wait. They lose guard. They make more for here. Who be that one again? No. They stop my peace now. What's in the water that one? No. Don't worry me now. Who be that person said? I said, who got to you now?
Okay. Someone is knocking now. Open the gates.
How is that your business? What it concern you? Concern the gate. You know, go choco yourself.
Someone is knocking. Open the gates.
Go and open the gate now.
It's no problem.
You know, go to your duty post, Abby.
Hey. It's Prince Obiora.
On the fire, Prince Obiora. Mama, Prince Obiora.
Wait for him now. Say this one. What is wrong with you? What's your problem?
Mama, dear. I've even forgotten. You don't have a mom.
What are you even coming like?
Mom, you mean that idiot asked you out of my father's room?
He's still there. I don't know what he wants to talk to your father about. That made that idiot ask me out of my own husband's room. No, come. Calm down.
No, I need to go and know why he did that.
I don't want you to get your father angry. Don't worry, you have time to deal with it.
No, mother. This boy is beginning to breathe more than he can chew. Like, it's enough. I've had it up to here for this bastard. And hi.
Hello, babe. Yeah, babe, what's up now? I've been standing outside the gate knocking for the past 20 minutes now. And the gate man is not opening the gate for me. Yeah, I've been knocking since.
No way. Oh my God, babe, I'm so sorry. Look, I'm coming to fetch you right now, okay? Please, just 1 sec, alright? I'll be with you now.
Alright, no problem. It's fine.
Mom, can you imagine? This bastard had my man locked up outside the gate for more than 20 minutes now.
What is all this? What have we gotten ourselves into? Eh? Every day one trouble.
Where is that madman? Ubaka! Fool! Ubaka!
My princess! Ma? Ma?
Bastard! How dare you? No, you've lost it. How dare you refuse to open the gate for my man? Are you not afraid?
Ma? I was looking for what? Oga Sabinus.
What?
He said I should not open the gate for anybody without telling him first.
As who? What? No, I need to know. Can I have the key?
Hand over! Oga Sabinus,
hand over!
We'll kill you!
Kill you right now. Give it to me. Give it to me. Listen, if you make me raise my hand again, I will kill you. I will kill you, Baka. I will kill you. Give me the key.
Who is at the gate? Nah, the man where one marry her. I will check spiritually to see if he's fit to step into this palace.
No, you lie.
I, Sabinus, Obato Biedinamuma, have spoken.
Mother, did you hear that? Are you not going to talk to him? Wait, I'm not understanding. Like, Mother, say something! Say something! My mind is at the gate! Say something! Get the key! I will kill you! Idiot!
Father! You You want to call Sabinus to order. This is getting too much. It's getting out of hand, please.
What is it again?
No. This
Father,
is too much.
The madman you brought into this palace had the air funds to lock my man outside the gate for more than 30 minutes right now. Yes, he gave Obaka order not to let anyone come inside this palace without his knowledge. I was trying to reason with him. Do you know what he did? He picked up the key from Obaka and walked away. Can you imagine, Father?
Igwe, you have to calm down and settle this once and for all, please.
Both of you should listen. If any one of you had the reason why that man should leave this palace, of course you know the consequences.
What are you talking about?
I'm not yet done. He has threatened that if any of you antagonizes his efforts in this palace, definitely he's going to leave. And that will all go away from me.
Father, listen. I do not care whether he leaves or stays. What I want you to do right now is to call him. Tell him to open the gate so my man can come in. I mean, my man has been part of this family way before this idiot came into the picture.
I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this is happening in this palace.
Hold on, let me put a cut to you. Hello? Sabinus. Please make haste, I want to see you in the palace. Are you listening? I'm expecting. Okay.
This is unbelievable. Igwe, I just hope that one day Sabinus will not ask you to relinquish your throne to him. And you will gladly do because you are afraid of death. Igwe, be very careful.
Babe, please. Just pick your call. Pick my call, please. Just speak.
Oh, stop calling me. Stop calling me. I can't pick up. I'm not in the mood for this nonsense. I've never been humiliated like this in my life.
Oh no. This is not my fault. This is not... I could kill that fake prophet right now. No way. You can't do this to me. Yara, please. Nico.
Let me get home first. I've never been humiliated like this before.
Are you around? Oh, Kedu. Around Makari. Oh. Hey. I came to see your daddy.
He's not around. He just left out. You must have missed him on the way. Yes. Really?
You're just looking good.
It's here, Omoka. This one you came under the rain, and my father is not around. Are you wait for him or you are going to leave?
Let me go. No, are you sure? How long your love lines can do that?
Excuse me. Before you go, you know,
Hey! You are a son of your father. You know when I come, your father will give me cola. Can't watch it.
This is not around.
Thank you. Okay, if your father comes, tell him that I will be waiting for him. I will come back. You know, go there. Hey, you know,
Is he
that's all.
Igwe, it's a spiritual thing. As I was in the spirit praying this afternoon, the Holy Ghost ministered to me. I saw a deadly attack on your household. You and your entire family members were murdered in cold blood. It was a horrible thing to see.
Now it's in your hands. If you want me to leave, I can stay back and fight against what I saw. If you still ask me to leave, I will gladly leave. So it depends on what you want, Igwe. The choice is yours. Prophet, please, I will not want such tragedy to befall me and my entire household. Please don't go. In that case, I will do the needful spiritually here. But physically, we must be very careful, yes. So I need you to authorize this. I must confirm who comes into this palace and who goes out of this palace. It's a spiritual thing. You have it.
Igwe.
Thanks, Igwe. Excuse me. Lose. Zarabada. Sarantasiya. Urukaba.
Igwe, you haven't even told him the reason you summoned him.
What test do you want to hear? You had them said it up here.
Igwe. Do you know the authority you are giving to this Sabinus of a guy? Now Obiora has left in anger. Only God knows what he's going to say to the parents when he gets home.
I'm still the king here. His father is a good friend of mine. I will talk to him. Then we shall find ways we can make things work.
Hey.
Who knows the one he will come up with tomorrow again? No. I need to see the Onowu tomorrow.
Anyhow you want them, Sabinus if you're not physical, Sabinus he will always tell you, listen to me, for you to live. I'm your prophet, Sabinus is in charge of our palace, Urago kingdom, and Ugo. Prophet Sabinus is in charge now of our palace, Urago kingdom. Anything he want to do, Sabin of our palace, Urago kingdom, Judge Urago, Urago kingdom, Fisiganya Nanka Sabio, Prophet Sabinus, take it easy, Sabinus, Onyamuma Jehovah, Prophet, Oneba, Judge Jehovah, Onyamuma Sabinus, Burubata. Shelly, don't say holy, don't say Onyamo pussy, Onyamo Jehovah, yeah, pussy, don't say holy, on a one dear, Sabinus, I'm a prophet, on a Judge Jehovah.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you so much.
So how was your trip?
Papa, my trip was fine. My journey was smooth.
Go down! I said get down! Who are you? Where's the money? Get up! Where's the money? Hey, 2 minutes! Get the money or you lose your father! Hey!
There is your head. If there is your head, I'll blow it off.
Go down! Go down!
Get down, you motherfucker! Get down! Get down! Motherfucker!
Papa, my money. Papa, stand up. My money. They have gone, oh. They have gone, Papa. My money. They took my money, Papa. Hey, my money. My money. My money. My money.
Video project.
Hey, Papa. Who are these people? Who are these people?
They took away all my money. All the money I came back with. About 500,000 naira. These people take it away just like that.
Hey, I think they are the same people that robbed us. And I think they are working with information.
They were 2 in number, and the 2 of them were all putting on masks.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I think they are the same people that robbed us. And they are working with information. You came back yesterday evening.
Yes.
And they robbed you.
Yes.
Hey! Wait! In our own case, they robbed us the day my father had a land transaction. And I blame my father for accepting cash. Hey! I think they are the same people.
I've already told my father that if nothing is done about these people, I personally am going to take the law into my hands and I'll fish them out.
Good morning, sir. It's your Amuka. Dede, sir. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Your father did not tell me that you are around.
Yes, I just came back yesterday. Yes, just yesterday. Yes, sir.
Uncle, do you know he was robbed yesterday evening?
Robbed?
Hey!
Yes, sir. They took away all my money. Just like that.
How much?
Uncle, 500,000. And a Gia?
500,000.
Hey!
So sorry about it, Mom. That is actually what we are suffering in this village recently. Our vigilante men don't want to apprehend them. I don't have a reason.
Papa, they cannot go scot-free. After taking away my hard-earned money in this village, they cannot go scot-free. Otherwise, I am going to personally take the laws into my hands.
For the law, don't take the law into your hands. Maraka, if you apprehend, they must apprehend them at this village. They will never go free.
It's very clear. I understand your point. Hi!
Security! Security! Oh no. We have been banging on this gate for a while and nobody is answering. And where is the security? It's always at the gate.
Maybe it's what I'm thinking of.
What are you thinking?
Okay, you don't know anything about this palace again. Maybe the prophets have instructed that the gate should not be open to anyone. Maybe the prophet.
No, it's not possible. We are the custodian of the culture and tradition of this community. We have the right to go inside and out of this.
You have every right, Ichie. You are very correct. Just knock.
Security! Security! Get here now. I told you. Then we open the gate.
Greetings, my elders. So you are the ones disturbing the peace of this palace.
What is that supposed to mean? We are here to see the Igwe.
You can't see the Igwe.
And why?
He's not disposable. I, Sabinus Onyamuma, says so. Please, don't bang on this gate again. Remain blessed.
Oh no. Oh no. Is this real life or I am dreaming?
It's real. This is exactly what happened to me the last time I came to this palace. He asked me, he walked me out.
Hey!
My brother, if there's anything we're going to do, it's not here. Kai Pokwa.
No. I will not leave here. I will stay here and see the end of it. No, man, go back. Oh no.
No.
This palace. I thought you was going out to meet with your no. I was supposed to go out to meet with your no. But Baka refused to open the gate for me. What? He said I must sign my destination when I am coming back and every other thing he said. That there are orders from Sabinus. I don't have the right to go out again in this palace. Obaka said that to you. What do I do? I need to see the no. I need to see the no. Oh no. No, I'm not okay. Everything is not okay. No. Imagine me, the queen of this land. Before I go out of the palace, I will have to take permission from Sabinus. Not just taking permission from him, I will have to state where I am going to. No, how?
Sabinus is the one making all these demands.
Yes! He gave our security man an exercise book. He directed him to write down the names of everybody that wants to go out and their mission for going out. Then bring the book to him to decide if we let the person go or not. Oh no, we're in the palace.
We really need to look into this. And no, it's like this man is up to something. This young man is up to something.
No, we need to look into it. My husband is no longer himself. He's no longer himself. Sabinus is the one taking decision in the palace.
That of Igwe, I don't blame Igwe. Igwe is afraid of death. That is why he succumbs to those instructions from Sabinus. Huh? I don't blame. Or do you want Igwe to die?
Wow. No. These are getting out of hand and it's giving me cause for concern. Imagine the other day, Sabinus sent Obiora, my daughter's fiancé, out of the palace. Is Obiora now our enemy? Obiora that has been with us for years. Is he now an enemy?
No, a lot has gone wrong in that palace. We need to carefully look into it. We need to do something, but first of all, let us find out if that young man really means well for our kingdom. We need to take time. We don't need to rush into conclusion. Let us take time and know whether that young man means well for our kingdom.
Do we really have that time? Do we have that time? While we wait, what if things go wrong?
Because of our land will not allow such.
Hey.
Mba.
I want on Africa.
Let's say that again.
I want on Africa.
You know what Sabinus?
Baby, please. I'm very sorry, please. Forgive me. It wasn't intentional, you know it.
Ogona, enough of all this pretense. Enough of all this, please. I am tired of all this pretense. The reason why I called you out is because I do not want my father to embarrass you.
Embarrass me? You told them?
Yes, of course I did. The pain was too much for me to bear. I am sick and tired of all this. If your father knows that he's not in support of this, what has he done to resolve this issue?
Baby, please, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean to hurt you. Please now.
Ogona, I am tired like I told you. Go back home, tell your father to do the right thing. My father is so angry with him.
I know, I'll speak to my father when I get back home. But are you aware that Sabinus is threatening my father with death?
Of course. Your people brought the ant-infested firewood that caused the visitations of the lizard to your compound. So how was it my fault? Did I not warn you about this?
Rara, what would you have me do? I tried. I tried my best. But you know I do not have the final say, right? This isn't my call.
I want to ask you something.
Anything where you will ask me, make sure you don't ask me no nonsense question. You don't hear me.
No starts. What were you doing with that man? I saw you last night. What did you do with that, Mr. Papa?
I don't tell you now. To God, mind your business for this palace. I don't know what you are talking about.
If you enter my shoulder again, I go to scatter your face. Oh, so this is what you are doing now, eh? I saw you now. You don't want to admit, Abby? No problem. See, I recorded everything. I recorded the whole thing. So that when the queen calls in, I will present it to her. I say, my queen, see your get man, oh. See what your get man.
Choco yourself, oh. Pam Maggie queen. Nothing will happen. To God, where make me and you for this nonsense where you don't talk, eh? I don't mark your face.
My friend can't open gate for the queen.
For this nonsense where you talk now. To God, where make me and you. I don't mark your face.
I'll beat you. I'll wound you. Don't try it, oh.
I know you are doing all these things because now Odrom Naka today. Ogadim Naka tomorrow.
You. Omante Naka.
And the no the Naka. Ade Naka. Odim Naka. Photogi.
Muaga photogi before you photo.
Photogi.
So you can actually totoy a mad person into this palace, into your room. Don't worry. Once she comes in, I'll say, my queen, see what your totoy gets man is totoy inside in this big palace.
Cool yourself.
Go open the gates.
To God. I know if you do
You see?
I know if you open the gate. I must get permission first from August Sabinus. Maybe before I will open the gate.
So you want to keep the queen there?
Pamma the queen. Pamma the queen again.
Your ego don't rise, oh. You don't get pride, oh.
Na me now.
Don't worry. Once the queen comes in, I will just tell her that see what you get man. You see you.
Who I be? I no go open them.
Can't open gates, my friend.
Open the gate.
Oh, why not go Ekworo no be ojo. People are mean, people are wicked. Come to my rescue. The battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher. Rescue. The battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher.
Listen real good. Holding countless meetings with the Onowu and elders will not stop me from achieving my goal. All of you, I repeat, all of you put together cannot stop me. No this and no peace. I am Prophet Sabinus.
It's a spiritual thing.
Doris. 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 Voice now, lower your voice now.
Baka, what is it?
Based on that level, that level, where you tell me say you video.
I don't understand.
That level now, that level now, where you tell me say you video for your phone. I want make you delete them to God.
Say what?
I beg, make you delete them now.
Bomb day your head.
Eh?
Bomb day your head. The Chris. You know say the Chris.
Never reach to insult me now. You see, that thing. I swear to God. That mad girl, they beg me, oh. She they beg me. Say, he don't take where she do she can't tempt me. Can't tempt me. Now I can say, make I pity him. Make I sorry for him. I can't do him. You understand? And the truth of the matter is say, I know put the full propeller. Now only the cap. Now I put inside. I don't go do him again.
If you try this thing when you try now, if you try him again, what thing I go do you? You see this your phone, Tata? I go pluck him out like this, use and do twisting.
God.
Something bomb there your head, something they do you. You know the shame. You no get shame at all. So, this your small Tata, he carry him. Go sleep with that mad girl. Hey!
No be like that. As I dey like this, I be small motor. Big engine, big engine, and a propeller. Now I get to, and the truth be say, I know one day they use the propeller for where the mad girl dey. Now inside your
something they do you.
One day
something they do you.
Oh, you don't tell where I don't beg you now. You give me Papa tell him this thing now.
Wait you come my domain, my duty post. Come they tell me nonsense. They come out. They go. See, if you try this nonsense next time, what I will show you. Come out! Let the shit.
I beg you
I beg wait.
Give me and I don't give me now.
See your life. You don't get this. You don't get levels.
God, no, they do this thing now. Freely you are giving. God, freely you shall give. Tell me now, check this thing now. And I don't think I don't even blame you because I can't beg you for that thing. Where I did sure say it go be like far you can't use and the do guy for me. He show me say you know go sweet at all. You see you, Mama, but to God, where make me and you? I don't mark you on that. I don't mark the equal. Where no go sweet.
It has happened. No, it has finally happened. I hope everybody will be happy right now. My relationship of many years has been ruined, all thanks to your so-called prophet father, Sabinus. I mean, Obiora and his family have cancelled.
Enough, Ogonna.
Father, you are saying enough.
I said enough.
Enough.
I will discuss with Obiara's father, and I will get to the root cause about this.
Honestly, Igwe, this Sabinus of a guy will go extra mile, if not stopped.
Sabinus is not going any extra mile. He's only doing this to protect my life. Besides, wherever he stops from entering here, there must be a reason for that.
Igwe, is this you?
Wait. No, what stupid reason does he have? Oh, is he insinuating that my man of many years is also a suspect now?
So my prince, what are you going to do now? Are you going to terminate your relationship you have with the princess just because of a certain prophet?
King, I'm so angry. I don't even know what to do.
I think you should think this through. You said you went to the palace and they didn't let you in. Are you sure the prophet was behind this? Or you just run into conclusions?
Ikenga, what are you talking about? Huh? If you were in my shoe, what would you do? The prince of Asiala kingdom.
My prince, I think you should visit there again. Yes. Before you draw these your conclusions, visit there again. Let's be sure. You're not certain, you're just saying.
Ikenga, I should visit the palace again. Have you forgotten this same prophet threatened me that he will stop me from coming to the palace, and now you're telling me to visit the palace again? Are you really my friend?
Obiora, I can't lie to you. I'm your bosom friend. Okay, and I asked you again, are you going to let things slide because of the prophet? Do you really want to terminate this relationship because of the prophet? Think this through.
I have to see what her father will do before I take my action. I'm confused, to be honest. It's raining. We need to leave.
We need to go. I'm very sorry.
Father, is there no security in this community anymore? What is happening? Every night, robbery here and there.
My son, we have a vigilante boy, so I don't know what has gone wrong.
In that case, they need to be queried because we cannot continue like this. If we do not do anything, tomorrow they will start kidnapping and killing our people in this kingdom. By then, it will be too late for us to tackle.
The current situation of things at the palace is what is causing all this. The Igwe no longer hold meetings with the cabinet because of the presence of Prophet Sabinus.
Sabinus or no Sabinus, the safety of the people of this kingdom has to be paramount. Yes, I know why I'm saying this, Papa. So that tomorrow I will not go and take law into my hands. Then the people will start blaming me. I know why I'm saying this, Papa.
I will advise you to calm down. Everything will be fine.
Your Majesty.
I've made a promise. You are going to be my only queen in this palace. That reminds me. I've discussed with Igbo Batu concerning his son Obiora. The marriage is still going to hold. I mean, the traditional marriage.
Wow. That is a good news. I mean, the princess will be so happy.
Yes. Obiora is a nice man.
Yes.
So there's no point in letting them. The marriage should go on.
Yes. I'm very happy. I'm looking forward to that day, Igwe. My daughter is getting married.
You can say that day. You can say that.
That day.
Go down! Go down! I'll go. Bring me another customer. I'll get those people.
Please, don't kill me. Please, please, please. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please, please, please. Please put that thing away. Please, please. Sabinus.
Sabinus. See, now take over time. You understand? Young boy over there, old man will be throw this man. I want everything. Can show your footballer. You know, I say this Lola watching the original. I can come on now. The throne has gone crown me. Your Highness, my king. This one feel like rollers. By the power vested upon me, I hereby confirm him. Igwe Sabinus, His Royal Majesty. Igwe Sabinus, Tutonia Igwe. Tutonia Igwe. If anybody loses heart near our Igwe, first of all, ask him who goes. Then we go stampede them. At your service, your Royal Majesty. Simona, confirm these two. Confirm them. Now one. We'll say hi to the but this that one I don't like the face. Very high life. Move! At your service, you move! I will start from guard for Igwe. Come on, move it! Who goes to you? Igwe guard you.
What are these boys? What are they doing here? Kevaga Pokwanka. In my house in Diala. Is this not Sabinus smart boys? What are you doing here?
How dare you call us smart? How dare you?
What are you doing here?
Oh, you're asking us.
Yes. Stop. Follow you to where?
You don't like
I said follow you to where? Follow. Osegere. Come on. Osegere. Now move it up.
Obele nwa ga-anọ okenye abụrụ Igwe dala.
What have we done?
No, it's a new girl. And it's called the Day Before Complain. Yes. As you can see, I've taken over. So I want you to go and tell the entire kingdom that a new king has been established.
But where is our Igwe, Lolo, and the princess?
I have taken care of them. Like I said, the regime title is Obey Before Complain. So go and do as I just said. Make everybody understand that I am the new Igwe. Onwuka. I don't understand. Be careful around me because you believe you can make it. I don't like your name. Summon all the elders in council, talking about cabinet members. Tell them that the new Igwe wants to see them tomorrow, 10 a.m. here. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes,
yes, Your Majesty.
Gods of my land, please have mercy upon us. They know that my kindness will turn to evil before us. Look at what Sabinus and his men has done us into. Oh! Baka, please save my life, Baka. Save my life and that of my family, please. Please.
Igwe, your time don't pass. I came to buy you. I came to buy you now.
Please, Baka. Baka, please. Baka, please. Have mercy on Baka, please.
Baka. I will not beg you. Tell you something. You must pay for it.
I dare ready to pay for the consequences of my actions. Pamagidia. Pamagungwa. Kwasia. Mama to God, whoever give me a you. I don't mark your face to God.
Jesus! Oh my God. So it was a dream. Hey God Almighty. Ubaka, whatever evil you are planning for my family and I, you will never succeed. You and Sabinus. You will never succeed. You will never succeed. You will not succeed.
Hey! No, thank you for the caller.
You are welcome, John Walker. I summoned you to my house because of the situation of things in our palace is getting out of hand. We need to meet. Yes. I will call all the cabinet members of this community so that we do something very fast. We don't need to keep quiet. Things are getting, I don't even know how to explain it.
No, your decision is right. You know, I was thinking about coming to your house before I got your call this morning. No, I had a bad dream about the king last night. We really need to do something.
You are right. That's why I will want you to pass this information to everybody, all the cabinet members, that today, we're meeting today in my house. We're meeting today in my house. Enough of this nonsense. Enough. Let us agree on something.
Mr. Badro, because I will do exactly that. I will save our kingdom.
Your Majesty. I'm fine, sir. You want me at the palace now? Okay. I will be with you, sir. Soon, I will be with you soon. Very, very soon. Alright, sir. Okay, call them. Oh. He said he want to see me at the palace.
That's good. That means it's an opportunity for you to talk to him.
I will do exactly.
Ikenga, I have decided to go to Urago Kingdom.
Has your father informed her father?
Yeah, they spoke yesterday. Ikenga, you have to come with me, please.
Are you sure I'll be allowed in with you?
Yes. And I want you to come with me.
Is she aware of your visit?
I will just call her right away and then we can proceed from here.
From now onwards, I want you all to be addressing me as His Royal Majesty. As you all know, the king is no longer fit, so I have taken over. Baka. Sir. Sir, Oga Sabinus, sir. Go down. Sir. Sir, I did not do anything, no. What did I say you should address me as? Sir. I don't forget, sir. Make you know best, sir. Lie down.
This man.